welcome back to our channel. We are Indian Sibling. Today I'm going to be showing you how to code a notebook page on code.org. So let's get started. So the first block you need is a turn left, and you will type down 90 here. We need it to turn 90 degrees. Then you need a jump forward by 140 pixels. So you'll be up here, or artist here. Then you're going to take a turn left by 90 degrees here, and then you'll say jump forward by 200 pixels. So he'll be over here. Then we'll say turn right. So let's go to actions and take a turn right, this one, or you can just take a turn left and change it to right if you accidentally took a left. So then you type down 180. Oh, not 80, 180. So then you will not be able to see your character, but he's still there. And then we'll say set color to red. So here you will go to brushes, and then you'll see set color. You can take this out, but I don't think you should. So set color to red. Move forward. You take move forward by 400 pixels. As here, it will make a line. I am pretty sure it will. Yes, it just made a red line. As you know, on notebook tips, there's this really long red line, like two red lines over here, and then there's a blue line down here and black lines. And then we'll say turn left by 90 degrees, or you can say turn right by negative 90 degrees, but just say 90 here. Turn left 90, and then jump forward by 10 pixels. Why 10 pixels? Because there's supposed to be a gap between these two lines. Otherwise, if we didn't say jump forward, it won't work. Then we say turn left by 90 degrees. Turn left 90 degrees. So he'll be facing up. Then you'll say he'll be facing left, and then you say move forward 400 pixels. 400 pixels. There. So now we have the two lines on our paper. Next, what we're gonna do, so if we were to run this, it would be like this. Make a line, then you'll make another line. So what we have to do next, to go to the blue line part, we're gonna have to do a lot of code. So let's take turn right, and then take another turn right. We can just take a loop, but it won't really make a difference. So you can just take turn right here and 180, 90. So it'll be facing down. Then you take a turn left, so now you have a turn left, question mark, and we'll change those question marks to 90. So I'm pretty sure you'll be facing the side. So now we'll say jump forward by 70 pixels, because that's how far it is to go to the part of the blue line. So we'll say 70 pixels. So now if we do a little more code, he'll be facing down, and then we can just set color to blue, and then we can make the blue line. We'll say jump forward, and then one block here, turn right, and say that 180. Oh wait, guys, change this to left and set it to 90. Like over here, it was turn left by 90. And we'll say jump forward, then turn left by 90 degrees, Then you will say another jump forward here. Change that to 40 pixels. And then you will write turn right by 180 degrees. There. Now we're gonna move on to the color blue. And this blue only has 3 blocks. And it's really easy to code. First you go to brushes, take a set color, and change the color to blue. You can just tap on this red icon, change it to blue. And then the 3 blocks you're gonna need is move forward, jump backward. So first take a move forward, then take a jump forward, and then take a turn right. There. And now what you need to do is change the forward to 80 pixels over here. 400 pixels. Then change this jump forward to jump backward and change it to jump backward 310 pixels. And then you'll say turn right by 180 degrees. Why we said turn right? Turn right by 90 degrees. And why did we say turn right? Well, since it was facing forward to us, so guys, remember, if a character is facing in front of you, and we put up our right hand, for the person that's facing at you, it will be their left hand. So what I'm trying to say is that they both have opposite directions if a person is facing in front of you. So now that when we said turn 90 degrees, we are just gonna change the color to black. Set color, black. So you can see that there is a lot of code here, but in the black we're gonna use a simple little trick that will just make us use really less blocks. I'll explain it to you when we reach to some code. Move forward and write down 80 pixels. Then you say jump backward 80 pixels. Jump backward 80 pixels. Then you say turn right 180 degrees. Turn right 180 degrees. So now he'll be facing the right. And now you can just say move forward 344 pixels. Move forward 344 pixels. There. Now the simple trick is that, look, so you take a loop and write down and put it over here. Then say write down 7 here because you're gonna have 7 lines. And this is just the normal one. So what we're gonna do is write down, put the code inside and call it write or drag in jump forward first 412 and change the jump forward to jump backward 412 pixels. Then say turn right by 90 degrees. Then say jump forward 40 pixels. And just say reset here. Jump forward 40 pixels. Then say turn left by 90 degrees. And then lastly, move forward 412 pixels. Now, as you can see, all these lines came. Now, here's another way to do it, but it will take 7 times longer. What you need to do, if you this is a code to make one line. This 5 blocks is to make one line. So you're gonna have to multiply this 5 blocks times 7 because you need 7 lines. Times it and you will get 35. That means you're gonna have to write these code 7 times, and then you will have 35 blocks of the same code again and again. So I just say use a repeat. Otherwise you're gonna have to repeat codes again and again and again. So you're gonna have to take repeat. Just put repeat here. If you don't have loops, you're gonna have to repeat this code again. But since I have loops, repeat 7 times, do, jump backward 412 pixels, turn right 90 degrees, jump forward 40 pixels, turn left 90 degrees, and move forward 412 pixels. Let's run it. As you can see, it's making the notebook. See, as you can see, it's repeating this again and again. Let me make this code real fast. Oh, it went real fast. Okay, let's see. It did that. So as you can see, the highlights were going over this 7 times. That's how this code works. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to get notified when we make a new video. And share this video with others if you want to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.